Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Nanaboozhoo Indigenous cause. My name is Nanaboozhoo. And today we're going to talk about the Dewe'igan, the drum. Okay, what do I want to say? The Dewe'igan, the drum. So the drum, they say the drum is like the heartbeat of Mother Earth. Mother Earth. Yikes. I can't even pronounce my words sometimes. Anyway, so yeah. If you want to learn how to sing powwow songs, I say, you've got to get to know the old powwow singers. I learned from an old man named Benny Tonts. Dewe'igan. He's in the spirit world now. But I remember him. He was a very nice man. Okay, so what can I say about that? Do I have a story about the drum? I can't really think right now. But okay, I guess I know. Sometimes people come up to me and they're like, "Hey, what's up with the powwow songs? What are you guys singing? It doesn't even sound like English. Is that Ojibwe?" Well, sometimes it is. Sometimes it is. Well, most of the times we call it audibles. It's like way ya hey ya way da way hey ya hey oh, right? And we started singing like that way back in the day, when like the Sioux people would come up, and we didn't speak their language, and we'd want to have a feast and a party, and we'd be like, "Well, I can't talk. We can't talk to them. We can feed them, but what are we going to talk about? They speak Lakota. And we speak Ojibwe Moan." So then we'd sing, and they were like, "I don't know their words." Well, then we could sing the audibles, and we could teach them these songs really quick, and pretty soon it would be a party. And so, like, sometimes people would be like, "Oh, when the white man came, that must have really freaked you out. You must have not known what to do with these people. They didn't even speak their language." Well, big deal, right? We've been meeting other people for hundreds of years. They say when Columbus came over, there were 400 different languages being spoken here. Yikes. So, okay, that's your history lesson. Native American people were very used to meeting other cultures. It's what we did. It's what we loved. All right, that's all I got to say for today. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to say Gigawabamin. I'll see you. Miigwech. Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. Hoa. See you next time.